If the sound is not working on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will give you 6 methods on how to fix this issue, and the third method will most likely fix your issue. So let's get started. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just press the volume up button and increase the volume of your tablet. And from here just make sure that the volume is full. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is not fixed, then go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Sound. Now, if your tablet is on mute, just select Sound. And after you do that, then open the Control Center, and in the Control Center, just look for the option of Do Not Disturb. If Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your tablet, just turn it off from here. And also in your Control Center, if Bluetooth is enabled on your tablet, just turn it off. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your tablet might automatically connect to an external speaker or to your Bluetooth headphones, and this is why sound might not be coming out of the speakers of your tablet. So just make sure you turn off the Bluetooth, and after that just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done that, but if this did not fix your issue, then under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Software Update. Tap on Check for New Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your tablet. And after you update the software of your tablet, then go to your home screen and open the Control Center. And in the Control Center, just tap on the power icon and open the power menu. Then tap on Restart and perform a restart on your tablet. And after the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. But if your issue is still not fixed, then go back to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General Management. Now from here, just tap on Reset, and on this page, just select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Now from here, just tap on Reset, and by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your tablet. And this option will not delete any data of your tablet. It will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And in the meantime, you can use your wired headphones with your tablet. Since you have a headphone jack, so just use your wired headphones until your issue is fixed. And this is how you can fix sound not working problem on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.